For balancing nuclear reactions, keep in mind that the sum of the nuclear charge in the reactants has to match the sum of the nuclear charge in the products. Nuclear charge on a species is indicated by these preceding subscripts. Also, the sum of the mass numbers in the reactants has to match the sum of the mass numbers in the products. And these numbers are obtained from the preceding superscripts. I also want to point out that you may make fewer mistakes if you translate this as a neutron plus a neutron. All right, we'll apply the nuclear charge rule. So we have 99 plus 2 is going to be equal to some number plus 0 plus 0. And we know, therefore, that this number has to be 101. That means the nuclear charge of our product is 101. And now the second rule, the mass numbers. So 253 plus 4 has to equal some number plus 1 plus 1. So we have 257 is going to equal some number plus 2. So we know that unknown number has to be 255. So our preceding superscript is 255. So now we go to the periodic table and find the element that has the atomic number or the nuclear charge Z equals 101, and we see that is Mendelevium.